Hey, it's Tally, and in this third of 4 mobile messenger how-to videos, we are going to review how and where to craft your messages. If you have already completed this step, you can skip to video number 4, which is enrolling customers in mobile messenger and sending messages. We are going to start by crafting a notices message. Remember, notices are manually sent from Bravo for states that require notification prior to expiring a loan and/or a layaway. From the Bravo dashboard, select System Configuration, and now choose the Configuration tab and then Edit. Scroll to the bottom and expand Text Message Configuration. Note that there are templates for both single and multiple notice templates. Select the pencil icon on the right to read, edit, or create a new message. To edit or create a new message, highlight the existing message and then select Delete. At the top of each template, you will find customizable data points to enter the information when placed inside the text message. For example, where customer.firstname looks this way here, in the text, it will change to be whatever your customer's name is on the loan or layaway. Once complete, select OK to save the new message. Note there are a total of 8 messages to edit and update. With our text message templates ready, let's schedule some events. Back at the Bravo dashboard, drop down the customers tree on the right and then select Schedule Mobile Event. To add a new event, select the plus mark. Drop down the first text box and select the event that you want to create. In this example, we will choose Loan Courtesy Reminder. This is an automated reminder. So first, you're going to decide if you want to make the message recurring. If so, select the recurrence frequency. Or choose how many days before their loan is due that you want the message to be sent. In this example, we want the notice to be sent 2 days before the loan is due. Select the time that you want the message to send. Note, due to TCPA guidelines, messages and mobile events cannot be sent prior to 9 a.m. or after 8:59 p.m. local time. Last, you'll choose what method you want to send the message. Auto prioritizes sending the message via MobilePawn first and SMS second. Auto will only be used for customers who have both Mobile Messenger and MobilePawn activated. SMS will send a text message only, and MobilePawn will send a push notification only. That's it. Our first event is scheduled and there's nothing more for us to do. So now let's create another event. This time we are going to make a custom scheduled event or marketing message for an upcoming holiday. Select Add New Event and then Custom. In the event name, we will call this name V-Day for Valentine's Day. Now select the date the message should be sent, and the time, and now the send method. Notice when the method of auto is selected, only 49 customers will receive an SMS. Everyone else will receive a MobilePawn push notification. In this example, we do not have MobilePawn, so we will select SMS, and now we are sending 163 SMS messages. Let's create a new message. As discussed earlier, SMS allows for 160 characters per message before sending more than one text. In this example, you can see I have just a few characters to spare. Please note that the character count will vary in store name depending on how long your store name is. Store.name is 10 characters, so if your store name has more than 17 characters, in this example, it would result in 2 text messages. Once you are finished scheduling all of your mobile events, select OK to save, and done to head back to the Bravo dashboard. That's it. For additional questions, give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thanks, and have a great day.